Hello, this is Scott Smith from Central Valley HHO. What I'm here to show you here is we do carbon cleanings for cleaning out the DPF and emission technology. This is a Range Rover right here, and what I want to get to is showing you the detail and how we do cleanings, how we do the data, unlike anybody else. But here it is. We took it to this guy took it to the dealership, and they wanted to charge him like $6,000 to $8,000 to remove the DPF. He's going to be down the vehicle for 3 or 4 days, yada yada. So he got a hold of me and asked me if we could clean his DPF. I said, yeah, what we do is we charge $350, and if it doesn't clean it, you don't pay. I mean, how can you beat that, right? So as you can see, we cleaned it 78%. We reduced the CO2, NOx went up because we cleaned the emission system. So that's more evidence that our technology works. So, and this is what's kind of funny, is his vehicle was only going to go 143 miles and the vehicle wasn't going to restart. So he was pretty panicked, and he's like, I'm not going to the dealer, to have this done. So anyways, came to us, and I'm just showing you the data here. And again, like I said, we use a lot of test equipment. And as you can see, we also do emission tests so that we can prove before and after. Okay, so here's the snap-on device that we plug in to actually read and record the cleaning. And as you can see, it started at 0.46. So this thing was super clogged, wouldn't go into a regen, had a lot of issues, lost power. So anyways, we hooked up our device, did the cleaning, and then here's the emissions after. So, and then this is the most important part, is you can see it's time stamped and everything. So there's the DPF. We cleaned it. So the exhaust gas volumes was all the way up to 2.06. So this is huge data right here. And again, I know a lot of people that are using cleaning machines and they don't work. Again, I go and try to tell everybody and educate. We're making a high quality hydrogen, which cleans out the engine. The results just go on and on and on. So I'm starting to show videos now. This is one out of over 100 units that we've done, or 100 cleanings. But anyways, I just want to do a video showing the data that we have and the technology that we have. It's not just throw hydrogen in an engine. And as you can see, 78%. That is a huge cleaning. If you go to my YouTube channel, you'll see that I actually got DPFs with an onboard where we keep the DPF clean, like out of the box. I know, too good to be true, but we have data facts on every clean that we do. Again, this is Scott from Central Valley. Thanks.